Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the 26-year-old long-haired poster boy of Indian cricket, is the new captain of the India 2020 team. Dhoni is from Ranchi and is the first captain of Indian cricket, perhaps, who does not come from any of the major metros. In fact, in every sphere of activity, be it sport or Bollywood or talent contests or even industry, it is increasingly the talented young men and women from outside the big cities who are rising to the top. Small town India is happening India. Bunty and Bubbly are all set to conquer while the Babalog of the big cities simply fade away. And that brings us to the question of the day. Dhoni as captain, does the future of India lie outside the big cities? What do you think? Type QOTD space Y for yes, QOTD space N for no. SMS your answer to 2622. And remember, why not also vote online on IBNLive.com. And on our panel tonight, Shishir Hattangadi. He's former cricketer. He's a former captain of the Bombay cricket team. Very much a South Bombay person. Joining us from Mumbai, Professor Anand Kumar. He teaches sociology at JNU. We also have our correspondent Prabhakar Kumar. He is joining us from Ranchi. And we're also hoping to be joined by Minnie Mathur, who is the anchor of the India Idol show. She will be joining us later in the show, hopefully. Before we begin, here's a quick look at what else is making the news tonight. India's intelligence agencies say Dawood Ibrahim is not detained in Pakistan, but Mumbai police tell CNN and IBN that he's working out a deal with India to return to this country. Left parties reject the 1-2-3 agreement on the Indo-US nuclear deal. They say they will press for parliamentary approval for bilateral agreements in the future. The Broadcasting Services Regulatory Bill, seeking to establish government suzerainty over private media, will not be tabled in the monsoon session of Parliament after all. Negotiations with broadcasters will continue, says the Minister for Information and Broadcasting. Sanjay Dutt appeals to the Supreme Court, challenges his conviction in the 1903 Bombay blast case and asks for bail. Kanwaria pilgrims block traffic on the Delhi-Jaipur highway. They attack buses and burn police vehicles after 3 pilgrims are overrun by a truck. Time now for the top story on Face the Nation. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the new captain of the India 2020 team. Dhoni, who is from Ranchi in Jharkhand, is the first captain of Indian cricket who is not from a metropolitan background. But be it in cricket or Bollywood or talent hunt shows, small-town Indians are high-achieving Indians. Samka Edamarku now reports.
छोटे शहरों से खाली भोर दोपहरों से हम तो झोला उठा के चले.
Dhoni's saga of success is nothing short of a fairy tale. It is all about the evolution of a small town boy striking it rich in a sport where the performer is under constant public gaze. From the dusty playgrounds of Ranchi to captaincy of 2020 team, Dhoni has come a long way. And he is not the only one. Munaf Patel hails from Bharuch, Gujarat, and R.P. Singh from Rai Bareli. Together, these small-town cricketers are inspiring the young and restless brigade who dream big.
हम लोग को बहुत इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है उनसे कि हम लोग भी अच्छा करें ताकि कभी हम लोग भी उनके लेवल में आके खेलें.
And Miss World 2000 is Miss India.
Striking balls to striking poses. Beauty pageants are also giving wings to the small-town people's dreams. Priyanka Chopra being the best example. A girl who spent her childhood in the sleepy town of Bareilly was crowned Miss World and now rules Bollywood. From the Virar Ka Chokra to the Bhojpuri superstar Ravi Kishan to the showstoppers. The lucrative film industry boasts of not one but many small-town exports who have become a rage. The big dreams of small-town Indians are fast becoming a reality now. Talent hunt shows like Indian Idol and comedy shows provide platform to small-town starry dreamers. Darjeeling's Prashant Tamang, a participant of the 3rd season of Indian Idol, is yet another small-town wonder. This singing sensation has become the symbol of Gorkha pride. And it's not only the glamour business in which small-town dreamers are surging ahead. The topper of this year's civil service exam, M. Raju Revu, is the son of a farmer in Andhra Pradesh. There is no denying to the power of dreams. Dreams and ambitions can take you a long way, from the small town to the big league. So dream on.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं।
Samkhed Marku, CNN, IBN.
Move over Delhi and Mumbai, Indore, Ranchi and Jhansi are here. Let's get straight now into Crossfire on Face the Nation. Shishir Hattangadi in